Alright, so this is our hotel in Sydney. We're staying at the mansion on the airport. This is the bathroom. Look how big this shower is. Oh my goodness. Look at that head.
That's so cool.
Look at this. Look there.
And
toilet.
check out the view. Check out the view.
Mirror. King size bed. TV that had our name on it when we got here. Oh, look at our big window.
Mum, when's it gonna take off?
Look, we've got a view of the airport.
And me and Mummy tried to take a video of a plane going over me.
I tried to take a photo, but you're too dark in the light. Yeah, this is our hotel in Sydney for the night.
Oh, and I can climb the window, see?
It's a nice windowsill.
Uh-huh.
Right, is any airplanes coming or going?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, look at them all.
Yep.
Oh, he's going. Cool.
That's a blue tail one.
What is it?
A blue tail.
Funny. Cool. What's in here? We even got ourselves a little fridge. This coffee maker. A safe. In there. Oh.
What is it?
Just milk.
Milk.
Look at our view. It's pretty cool. Look, there's the ocean right out over there. Just past the airport. So we're lucky enough to be right on the top floor. Construction man.
What's going?
There.
Doing over.
They're going that way though. That way. There was ones before that was coming straight over here. It looked like they were going over Billy's head. Here he goes.
Zoom.
Bye, airplane. Isn't that cool? Do you like this room, Billy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Is it good for the night? Cool.
Oh, and show them our bed.
Our bed. We have a king size bed that Billy's teddy's minding at the moment. Alright.